Bentley Copilot allows users to seamlessly transition from AutoCAD to MicroStation. In this example, we will be looking at AutoCAD's XREFs counterpart in MicroStation. First, we will open the Bentley Copilot Assistant. We will inform the assistant we are an AutoCAD user and then ask how to work with XREFs in MicroStation. Once the response loads, we will first find a section that translates all relevant AutoCAD terms into MicroStation terms. This provides the user a guide to follow throughout this process to ensure they don't get confused. Next, it will provide an overview of how MicroStation references work compared to AutoCAD XREFs. Scrolling down, it will identify the dialog we need to locate in order to use this tool. And finally, it will provide a step-by-step guide that we will follow now. Step 1 is open the References dialog. Next, we will click Attach Reference. Here we can select which file to attach. We will be using the Control House DGN. Lastly, here you can choose both the model and any placement options you would like to change. We will stick with the default options and click OK. As you can see, the Control House is now attached to our model. Bentley Copilot provides more information such as other tools you can use in the References dialog, the biggest differences from AutoCAD, best practice tips, and more. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the MicroStation channel to keep up with news and demos.